happy in a happy space.
Happy space, happy spirit.
Relieved.
Trust me, relieved. Everything.
I mean, I say, Lisa, I see you take the dip.
It's not a normal dip.
It's not a normal dip. You see what I'm saying, girl? I say, yo, you know anything for the better.
It really wasn't a normal dip, but it was a dip that was destined to be
needed.
All
right.
And your brother likes to know.
Hey, you use some word.
Yeah, just connect.
Need.
Yeah. Now, what happened? Was it like you had a moment where you were reflecting on your life and say, you know, I need to make the change? No, what happened?
No. My life was at stake. My life was at stake. I didn't have a choice. I had to do it.
Devil a try for you.
Sure. Only God could have saved me.
Yeah.
Nobody watch the water and the dip, you know?
Yeah.
Watch what come with it. Only God could have saved me.
I feel you on that one. Before the video went viral of the baptism, you were, some postings were trending as well about you needing help. What was happening there? You want to tell us?
My life was at stake.
Okay.
It kind of look like family business though. I'm not try cry, but me see.
Family, friends, everything. You know what comes with being a superstar.
The good and the bad.
The good, the bad, and I accept all of that. Accept the good and the bad will come with life. I'm a realistic person, a logical person, and I'm optimistic as well, but I'm not delusional.
Yeah. How will this move change your music going forward?
Yeah, a little adjustments is there, but Sister Hyper is here, same way.
Gospel, no more dancehall.
Why no more dancehall? What's so bad about dancehall?
Right.
Is what you do in dancehall.
Message.
So, what's so bad about dancehall?
Dancehall good enough.
Tell me.
That me always
what's so bad
still.
about dancehall? Don't leave dancehall alone, man, and stop blame dancehall for certain things where them wait not to get blamed for. Leave dancehall alone. A time for no leave dancehall alone and give dancehall the glory where it's supposed to get. Please, me I beg you no. Thank you very much.
All right.
And what's understood doesn't need to be explained. So me not come here for go in depth in everything. We are intelligent people and we must read and understand and listen and we learn. Each one teach one. Don't watch my tattoo them a good high school me used to go, Queens High School.
Big up to Queens.
And I have a lot of teachers that me never meet in a high school. A lot of my teachers they me know along my journey. Vybz Kartel is one of my teacher. And I can call many more names. Right? Good.
All right. Now you have a song with Luigi that you're also promoting.
Yes.
Talk about that track.
US and God People Entertainment. So it's 3 different producers. Yeah.
The song is called Me Not Like People.
Not Like People.
Not Like People. Tell me more about the single.
Well, how that song came about, Renegade, who is from RDX, we live in the same community, and sometimes we see each other and we play a song them for each other and we listen to them. And it was a night he played a song and hit on the same rhythm, and I liked the rhythm, so I said I want to go on that rhythm. He said, Friday it go out, and this was the Wednesday. I'm say, yo, I don't care, me go write my song now and voice it tomorrow. It go make the rhythm. He say, you serious? I say, watch this. Early in the morning, Thursday morning, I call him and say, I'm ready. But we go voice him. He say, I know I have a studio in my yard. I say, alright, I come. Voice it in the yard, over my yard.
And that is it.
That was it.
The sun a rum talk make for reason. Watch the spiff, it might seize you. Don't talk only your own can deceive you. And next thing, me nah no secret. Some me tell you me have it, you might leak it. Now practice loyalty, but I preach it a real thing. Make me feel bad star, I'm overseas it. Earth I run red, which is fast.
Red.
All right, anything else you want to share with your fans,
I just
before you go?
want my fans to don't get discouraged. Continue to believe in your artists. You know me. You have been there with me through the trials and the tribulation. Don't give up on me. I'm not a fake. I'm real, and you know this. Real me real. If I was an unrealistic person would have bust long time and rich long time. Just go and hold the faith. Don't let me go.
Alright. Thank you so much, Lisa Hyper.
Right, that's so. I want to tell you something. I get that song last week and I say Lisa met the dip. I say, you know, that song I go get played, deep or not. I'm like, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? Last week, we sent out the rhythm, but it's a vibe. I know we understand everything. Lisa, we're not here to judge.
Yeah,
we don't want no explanation.
I
love the new chapter.
I recorded the song. I did the video before me even think about to take the dip.
Yeah.
So it's not a publicity stunt.
Yeah.
Me not have time for them something there. You understand? So we just watch what go on, man.
New chapter.
Yeah. Let's watch what go on.
Them fake club, them a fake BFF, them a fake talk. No one a fake argument in a me ears drop. Still we a call when them try hold we weird up. Them sick of this, tell them go rub up with the beer up. Walk to see Lisa, you have to clear up. Wrong up from the...
Alright, that's how we wrap Zip Code for today. Liquid, do you have anything you want to share before we close off the microphones?
I'm good. Me just want the music same way.
Yes.
I just want to say, Lisa,
something?
go and do your thing. Yeah, mama.
And some, you know.
Jesus.
Dancer love you, you know. Dancer them for love you, you know. Like,
Yeah.
you think a rum talk. I stop drink liquor, you know.
Yeah.
I stop smoking, you know. So they must know say I'm in a rum
Straight
talk.
talk.
Yeah.
I love your Liquid. I
Likewise.
love what you do for dancehall. I love what you do for dancehall. You hear that, youth?
Thank you, mama.
All right.
Wake up yourself, Lisa Hyper. Alright, you know, you can follow her on the gram. All of you. I guess you're going to, you know, take our fans along the journey. The new everything, you just log on to her page and remain locked to her Instagram page. Same page, same
page, everything.
Alright, that's it for Zip Code. We gotta run. Remain zip locked as Liquid continues to juggle inside Zip Heats. Until next time.
Yeah. Ouija.